how to log into your Substack account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your substack.com, or you can get the application version of it. It really does not matter. Just make sure that we get into the login page, right? So for that, you can simply tap on the sign in icon on the top right corner right here. Tap on sign in, and all you need to do is simply write in your email address, and then you can simply tap on continue, and then you'll need to add in the password of your Substack account. Then you can tap on login, and just like that, you will successfully be logged into your Substack account. But you can even log in with your password too if you tap on sign in with password. Now, like I said, you'll need to add in the password of your account and log in. But before, what you could have actually done is simply log in through your email. Simply write your email, then you could have tapped on continue, then you would actually get a email link on your email inbox. You'd need to open that email and then simply log into your Substack account like that too.